I bet you're wondering how I got here.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings?
Hey, how y'all doing?
Welcome back to my channel, loves. And today I am relaxing my edges. After over a decade of being natural, I've come to decide that really I like my edges laid down all the time. This I feel like is going to be much simpler with styling because no matter what style I'm doing, I like to lay my edges down. Now, disclaimer, you do not need your edges to look any particular way to be presentable. It's all about preference, and I'm definitely against presentability politics and rules. Your hair journey is yours. Rock it the way you want and be unapologetic about it. So, starting off old school, getting some grease and just protecting my skin. So I'm going to go around the skin where my edges are going to be touching. So this packet is actually a touch-up. I like it because then I didn't have to get a really large jar. So I'm just taking these 2 packets, mixing them in a bowl. And you want to mix it until it's one even consistency. Then using a brush, just lightly patting on and brushing through. Now, I like to build up anytime I'm using a product. So start with a light layer and build as you go. And as you're applying, you just want to ensure you start to smooth it out.
Respirator. The old skateboard Pete, that's your favorite. Me and 20 girls doing yoga naked. Frequency high, like a spaceship. She say that she like it, then she been exposed. The Gandalf hat and the weird ass clothes. That's coming on son and the buffalo. I know gorillas with the triggers that's on the banana clippers and packing with the biggest missiles. These niggas is knocking over vehicles. These niggas ain't waiting just to see niggas. These niggas ain't trying to hear please niggas. These niggas like chopping down trees niggas. These niggas want to breathe and they squeeze niggas. These niggas hit the weed and they leave niggas. Gee nigga, if you got 2 hoes, you need to let one go. 2 Lambos, you need to let one go.
Now that I'm done applying, I'm just taking a plastic knife and I'm just smoothing that hair out. And that's going to just make sure any extra kinks or coils or curls that's still there are going to be smoothed out before the processing time. Now I'm going to allow this to process and just sit for about 6 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out using neutralizing shampoo, followed by a conditioner. And this is how it looks once everything is rinsed out and just air dried. Now I'm going to lay my edges using a bit of mousse. Then just brushing everything into place. Then on top of that, I'm going to be using my black edge control. Now this goes on and it looks jet black, but trust the process. Once you're done, it's not going to be as black as it's going on initially. Now let's get into this Bloom and Bundle hair. So I've had this hair in for about a week, and so far I've really enjoyed it. There has been tangling in the back, but the conditioning spray really helps with that.
Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, ay move that dope, ay move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, ay move that dope, ay move that dope.
Why you so nasty?
Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, ay move that dope, ay move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, ay move that dope, ay move that dope. Young nigga move that dope.
And just being mindful to finger detangle or use a wide tooth comb. And that's just going to ensure, again, when you're using something like synthetic hair, you don't want to tangle it. So playing in it too much or manipulating it too much is going to be what causes a lot of frizz. So just take your time. There has been some shedding, not too much. I would say as much as could be expected when you're using synthetic hair. It's going to tangle more than your human bundles, but it's holding up pretty well for it to be 3.5 bundles in my head.
respirator. The old skateboard P, that's your favorite. Me and 20 girls doing yoga naked. Frequency high, like a spaceship. She say that she like it, then she been exposed. The Gandalf hat and the weird ass clothes, that's Comme des Garçons and the Buffalo. I know gorillas with the triggers that's on the banana clippers and packing with the biggest missiles. These niggas is knocking over vehicles. These niggas ain't waiting just to see niggas. These niggas ain't trying to hear please niggas. These niggas like chopping down trees niggas. These niggas want to breathe and they squeeze niggas. These niggas hit the weed and they leave niggas. Gee nigga, if you got two hoes, you need to let one go. Two Lambos, you need to let one go. All these drones while y'all smoke dope, there's an eye in the sky. I'm trying to let y'all know. Ain't no stanzas, I'ma set one though. Big ass bag, but no man sand though. All that boy, we need to let that go. That bone business, I'ma get there. Young nigga, move that down.
So to blend my hair in, what I've been doing is taking a bit of this Hicks Edge Control Pomade, taking a section of curls, and just twisting my hair around that piece. And I'm doing small sections, and I really love that blend that it gives.
Have you ever been punched in your motherfucking face? What you say? Oh, you have it? Alright, wait. Bitch, 2-4 baby king, fucking me. I am here, ho, ice cream, booger, color, tits, sub-zero, no, ho, boogers in my clique. We don't fear, ho, lit. I got a way, I got a politic, I got a bait. Ain't no apologies when I get paid. A dermatologist, I want the fake. Don't talk to me when I stop finished, bitch. Oh, ho, pussy watery, I got the tuna fish. Ho, yeah. Nigga acting like
If for any reason you feel like your hair is just too shiny, go ahead and take a dry shampoo. That's going to absorb some of the oil as well as absorb some of the shine. And here is our edges. Yes, I love how these came out. I just can't stop saying it. And look at how well this hair is holding up. Now, at nighttime, the way I do it's super simple. Split your hair in two, do a bantu knot, wrap it with like a rubber band or something, throw on your satin scarf and a bonnet, and you're good to go.
I want the fade, give me my shade. I want the fade,
This is our final look. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, ay move that dope, ay move that dope. Young nigga move that dope.